I love cake.
Which one? Where?
You want this for your table?
Thanks.
Got it?
Who wants a red one?
I do.
Then pick one.
Thank you.
Everyone, that one.
That one?
No, this one.
This big blue one?
Everyone, no, don't eat it.
It's Play-Doh.
I thought it was cake.
So you got a black one?
No.
No. And then a green one.
I sacrificed all of them. Put yours in. Oh, the thing there was
What's in there?
a bag. You don't need the bag.
Oh, a bag in there.
Do you want your Play-Doh back from Mommy?
Yeah. We don't need. We need that. We need this Play-Doh. No. Mommy was supposed to take into the other ones.
Oh, I didn't know.